Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today we got another kit unboxing. It's the ZD Racing Thunder 9102 Buggy, and what this is the buggy version of the ZD Racing 9104 ZTX Truggy. Very cool RC. ZD Racing is probably one of my favorite budget RC brands. They have a great package, very great prices, and parts are available, pretty durable. So you got your front and rear ends, complete diff and suspension. So this is kind of like a half kit, which is really nice. No confusing bag parts to go through like some of the other kits. Here is the Buggy Body. So this is if you're into slapping your own kits together, I highly recommend these because you can get these and that 9104 for under $100. This one I picked up for 80. The other one I think I got for like 87. And if you got your own electronics, definitely worth it. So got the body. Here is the parts bag. You got your center drive shaft, battery clip, body clip. They even give you some tools. Basically anything you need to go into it. I'll probably do a how-to when I assemble this, just because that other one came together so easily. Got the wing on the back, and then the wheels, and last of all, the chassis. Okay. So very cool kit. Just speaking from experience with this guy, and I will give you a look inside. So I assembled this one with a 3660 3300. This is the max size of the motor that this chassis will take, and you can see it's the same chassis, 9102 versus 9104. Basically it might just come down to the wheels and suspension. And then I got I think I'm using a KS 3218 in there. I got my 60 amp brushless CSE. So this came together really nicely. I don't remember what pinion I'm running on this, but I did if you get a chance, definitely check out my unboxing on this one. And I also did a comparison to the ZD Racing Thunder SC10, and this is, I did a little how-to on how to get to the motor when you're doing a motor swap. It's really simple. You just basically take these 6 screws out, and it gives you access to this motor plate. Then I think you have 1 screw to loosen it, and there's 2 little screws to set your mesh. This guy is kind of like a big brother slash cousin, slightly higher end than the ZTX line. This one I did slap in a 3670 2850 kV, and you could see that this chassis allows a little bit more space than this guy. And then you can also see the wheelbase is a little bit longer than the ZTX line. And then lastly, another one of the main differences is the links. You can see these are adjustable. Both the tie rod and upper link versus this guy. which is plastic on both ends, but everything else is metal. The drive shafts, the diff gears, so very solid RCs, and again really easy to assemble. So I know that this is mainly the 9102 unboxing, but I saw it as a good chance to just show a comparison and breakdown of these. You can see this is the buggy front end, this is the truggy, and now slight differences. This front bumper is a little bit bigger. There's a ZD Racing stamp on the front. Don't know if it makes a difference, but I think everything else is pretty much shared parts. You can see the shocks are the same length. I did notice though this has a DBX10 shock on it, which is another ZD Racing desert buggy RC. So you can tell, you can see that they do share parts along all the lines. What's nice is these are filled, so it's got really nice action right now. I did notice right here the ball popped out of the sway arm, but no big deal. It's part of assembly to go through these things. But yeah, all these have great suspension. You can see how well they just plant down. So another awesome thing about the ZD Racing 110 line is that they do have full-size battery compartment, so you can pretty much do a nice full build on one of these. This is more in line with the VRX Racing and HSP Racing RC brands, if you want a comparison and competitors. But ZD Racing really offers great packages, and they really are a bang for the buck. So thanks for watching, and I'll try to get the how-to build on this one when I figure out what electronics I want to run on this. But thanks for watching.